I am back, and a little over half of my twists are done. My sister did them, so cause she over half of my head, and she left me this section to do. I don't know if I see it, but she left me this section to do, which doesn't look like that much hair, but it's enough. Okay, so I'm gonna do the best to my ability to show y'all how I do my twist outs, and I still try not to make this video as long as possible. So let's first get into the products. We have warm water in a regular spray bottle. We have Shea Moisture's Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Leave-In or Rinse Out Conditioner with Flaxseed Oil. This looks like it's the red one. And I'm using it as a leave-in. And for a curly style, I'm using this, I don't know if it's Mielle or Mielle Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream with babassu oil. So first we're starting by spraying some water in my hair. Then I'm taking the leave-in conditioner and spreading it throughout that section. After I put in the leave-in, I then detangle my hair. And then I'm going to proceed to put the curling cream in my hair. Once I section away the other hair, I'm going to take the piece that I'm going to twist and to split into two, and then you will start your twist. I twist going towards my face, and as I'm twisting the hair in my fingers at the same time. I know it's kind of hard to see, but if you actually look at my fingers, I'm actually twisting the hair and twisting it around each section. And once you get to the end of the twist, you don't want it to look like that. You want it to look like this piece that I'm holding up right here, like one straight coil. So I take some more product and put it at the end of the twist and then twist it around my finger the way that I twisted the hair, and it turns into this nice coil. So once again, doing the same process, splitting the section into two and twisting towards my face and twisting the hair while twisting it into one big twist. And once again, when you get to the end of the twist, you're going to take your finger and wrap it around. Wrap the hair around your finger to create a nice coil. So now that I explained the process, I technically do the same process throughout my whole head, splitting it into two, twisting and twisting at the same time, and then wrapping my finger around my hair at the end to create a coil at the end since I just got my ends clipped. So I'm doing that throughout the whole video. Make sure you keep watching and enjoy. Nine times out of 10, I leave my twist outs up for during like the weekend time. Like I leave my hair up for like a whole weekend. Like if I do it on a Friday, like today, if I have school or something, on Monday, I'll take them down on Monday. But if it's like a whole weekend or it's summer, I did this last summer too. It's summer, I legit won't take them down till I have something to do. You basically treat them like they're box braids or your scalp every other day or something. You can even go into effect if you want to lay your edges, but that's just not me. I don't feel like doing all of this. So this is the end look of how I do my twist out. I will record a video on how I take down my twist outs. But as for right now, this is it. I'm not taking these down. This is the last result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and once again, thank you for clicking on this face, because you could have clicked on any other face on YouTube, but you decided to click on this face. And make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you're notified when I upload more videos. Thank you once again, and